Hubcaps are essential in keeping oil inside the hub of your axle so that bearings are lubricated and your truck can run smoothly. If a hubcap is damaged in any way, it's fairly simple to replace, but it's important to know what kind of hubcap you need and where it goes on your rig. On a standard rig, you'll have 6 hubcaps. 2 of those will go on the steer axle of your truck, while the other 4 go on the axles of your trailer. When it comes to the styles of hubcaps, you'll find 2 common ones. One is a flat flange that is accompanied by a gasket to seal in oil, and the other is a threaded spin-on style that includes an O-ring to seal the oil. But both will have a fill cap on top to fill the oil. The best way to determine which kind you need is by looking at your axle to figure out which style you need and also which size will fit your axles. Once you know the size and style, it's time to replace or fix parts of it. The first step is to drain the oil in the existing hubcap if there is any. Next, unscrew all of the bolts on the cap if you have a flat flange, or unscrew the cap if you have the threaded spin-on. Next, you'll want to clean the cap and gasket or O-ring to remove any unwanted residue, and then it's time to do it all in reverse. Put the gasket or O-ring back on. Screw the cap back into place and fill it with oil to the lines imprinted on the fill cap, and make sure that the plug is secure on the fill cap. The outside of the fill cap has a clear window, so you'll be able to see if you have too little or too much oil inside. Once you've made sure that there are no leaks and the cap is properly secured, you're ready to get back on the road.